Hi, welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery on this 2012 Acura MDX is located right here under the hood and is fairly easy to get to. But this is a modern automobile, and like most of them, there are computers, there is an entertainment system to think about, and so before you begin a project like this, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep all of the computers and the entertainment system's memories alive while we're replacing the battery. The first step for some vehicles will be to remove this plastic shroud. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you can use your 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal, but don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And retighten the fasteners. The next step is to reinstall the plastic shroud. And reinstall the 8 push pins. The last step is to disconnect the memory saver, and we're done.